Hi you guys, today I'm going to share with you my top 10 favorite Amazon kitchen items. You have seen a lot of these items before, probably all of them actually in my videos because I use them when I cook, when I do all of my kitchen, meal prepping, meal planning, cooking. So I'm going to share these items with you. I just love Amazon, so I will link all of these in the description box. This is a great time to hit up their sales as well. So if there's anything you see that I have here on my list, these are my total must-haves that I use over and over daily. Go check them out in the description box. So first things first, I have this set of meal prep containers. I keep them in this basket because there's lids and containers in all different sizes. So love this set. It has, so here is kind of a smaller square and it has 4 locks, so 1 on each side. And then the round ones have multiple locks as well. So these round ones are so great. I have been making a ton of soup and a ton of chili lately. And so I just put them straight into, I portion it out into this bowl one. All these pieces are in here. These bowls, really great size, perfect portion control. If you've been around my channel, you know I really am into portion control so that I don't overeat. But these lids, they snap on. You don't have to worry about your soup or chili coming out. These are microwave safe, dishwasher safe, great quality. So they are just a really good quality plastic. These are not glass. So, but I love these. So many shapes and sizes. I really like, it comes with a bunch of these little dressing cups. I do a ton of salads that I love to pre-pack ready to go. So this is just perfect for dressing. And then I have not used this yet, but I keep it with all of my containers because you can put these little stickers on, and it came with a little chalk marker also. So I've been kind of holding on to this for a while. I'm not sure if I want to put the labels on because I'm always just putting different things in each of these. So these are really great also for freezing. They can go in the freezer as well. So here is this size. There's a lot of these. I think I want to say when I got it, there's like 24 or 25 pieces, but I'll link it in the description box and I'll have all the info on how many. This is a great size. I love this one. Love like the rectangle. It's kind of stuck on here for some reason. But let me get it off. And so this is just a really good size for, I love this one for my lunches. So all of these, amazing. Here's the lids for the caps. And then the lids that snap on. So really great set. Tons of these. I mean, I am always prepping stuff, so I always need tons and tons of containers. So if you need some new containers, this set, it's amazing for sure. Just love the quality. So another thing you have seen in my videos a ton of is this chicken shredder. So I love making chicken in the crock pot, and you just pull it out with some tongs, stick it on these little kind of spikes, press this one with its little spikes down, and then you give it a spin and it shreds the chicken, and it is amazing. I have been using this so much. I know you've seen it in my videos. Under $10. It is crazy. I have gotten my money's worth big time on this chicken shredder. So I have this veggie chopper. It's really great. It has all these other pieces that I pulled out to show you, but I really use mostly this little square one. It's really great for onions. I do not like chopping onions, not a fan at all. So I have been using this chopper to do that mostly. It's really great for bell peppers as well, but hands down, I don't want to chop onions any other way. So it has a couple different sizes here, and here's this one, and then here is a little bit bigger one, depending on what you want. And then you just set it in with the little lock, and then you just smash down your onion. So it has this comes out So you just have all your veggies in here. You can use them. I like to prep a lot of my veggies and just store them already ready to go. And so you just put that back in. It also comes with a mandolin slicer. I don't get quite as much use out of the mandolin slicer as the chopper, but it's all one set and mandolins are just so great. So you just put this on top of here as well. So it'll all go into a little container. But all these sets, and then with the mandolin, there's a flat one and then a greater one as well. So this set, it's super great, really, really good quality. And I really like how this just pulls right out. So super easy for cleaning and whatnot. Comes with this little cleaning brush as well, which is great. So really, really awesome. If you dislike chopping onions as much as I do, you will love this veggie chopper. So, so good, cannot live without it. So this next item, you have seen this around my channel. I have had it for a long time. I've had all these items for a long time, but this here is a mini corn dog maker. And you might be thinking, I really don't need another small appliance in my kitchen. And I'm always thinking that, but I'm still always getting new small appliances. This we use a ton. I have 2 kids, 2 boys, 6 and 7 years old, and we make little sausage pancake corn dogs, basically. Do it corn dog version, and pancake on a stick version is the one that we call for the sausage and pancake batter. This thing is amazing, non-stick. Just, oh my gosh, we use it seriously all the time. On the weekends, the boys are always, I'm like, what do you want for breakfast? Always saying pancake on a stick. So it's got the lights here, green and red, to let you know when it's ready. I love anything that's non-stick. I got a couple more non-stick items to share with you, but this is just so easy for cleanup. Makes 6 little corn dogs or little sausage pancake on a sticks. These little like grooves that you put like the little stick in. I use just bamboo skewers. So absolutely love this. If you are on the fence about not wanting to get any more little kitchen appliances, this one should definitely go to the top of your list if you have kids. If you don't have kids, you probably don't want to be making yourself little mini corn dogs. But if you have kids or grandkids, hands down, we use this all the time and my kids just absolutely love it. And they help me when we use it. It is hot, so I always have to supervise, but easy for the kids to use and absolutely love this. You have seen this book over and over and over and over again in every single one of my grocery haul videos. It is my favorite. So I do a lot of meal planning, a lot of grocery budgeting. I do a Walmart grocery pickup once a week for all of our groceries. So I just do a one-stop shop for everything for the week, breakfast, lunch, and dinner for my whole family. So this book, it really helps me stay organized. I love being organized. You guys know that if you've been around my channel. But this book is really great. So it has these little sections for the week. So like each 2 pages is 1 week. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. You can put your week's priorities, your healthy habits if you're tracking that. It has a shopping list on the side. And I just love going through and using this book when I'm going through my pantry, the freezer, the refrigerator, when I am making the week's meal plan. So I put all of our dinners down on each day, and then I do that as I'm going through the pantry and the refrigerator to make sure that first we're using anything that's left over or anything that we already have so that I'm not buying extra at the store. So this book, it has like these little ribbons to take you to the page you want to go to, and then it closes with kind of this little elastic here. It's got a spot for a pen as well, but absolutely love this book. It comes in a bunch of different colors as well. I like this purple, but it comes in like 10 different colors, and it is really, really great quality, and it really, really helps me a lot when I am doing my meal planning. So love this book. Okay, you see this in a lot of videos as well. This is my little meat masher, ground beef, ground turkey masher. We do a ton of ground turkey. We do ground beef as well, but this is just the best little masher. So you have it on your skillet and you just mash it down. It is super easy. It's getting a little worn out. I've had this for years and use it multiple times a week. So absolutely, hands down, love this. Under $10 and just really, really great. Like I said, I do a ton of ground turkey. Been doing a ton of chili lately, and so I use this to mash up that ground turkey, ground beef. It's the best, honestly. And this is a great size for a stocking stuffer. If you are looking for a stocking stuffer, definitely add one of these to your stocking for sure. If you do your own stockings like I do the whole family stockings. These are the kind of things I put, spoons, little meat mashers, different things, if it's perfect in a stocking. So this is actually kind of great for a stocking too. It's small and skinny, but this is a little frother and it's wonderful. I had another frother about a year ago probably, and it was okay. And then I decided to get this one, and this one is really, really awesome. I love it. It has a USB charge, and then it just feels really good in your hand right here. It's just fun to hold. So you just press down and it spins. So I don't really have anything that I needed to mix right now, but I wanted to show you how it works. So here's just my water. So here it is, mixing away, and it just blends so good. I use it for my pre-workout drinks, protein shakes, different things you just want to blend up. I put collagen in my drinks, so blend that up. We've been doing a little bit lately the hydration packets as well, so I use this to just mix it. It mixes seriously so well. And if you do coffee and you want to do like that milk froth on top, I don't do coffee, but this is just perfect for that. So absolutely love this frother. Another great little stocking stuffer item. And I like that it has this little case as well. Definitely anything that has its own like storage case or anything like that, definitely go to. This would be great for traveling because it has this little case. So really, really awesome. You've seen these in my video for sure. These silicone measuring cups. I really love these. So they, being silicone, you can just kind of pinch it together and pour in whatever you have in the measuring cup. So this is really great for liquids. I really like using these. I prep overnight oats in mason jars. And so the mason jar is, the mouth of the mason jar is smaller than the measuring spoon. So it's perfect with this little cup. So I can just pinch it and pour everything in and not make a huge mess. So like I said, great for liquids, great for pouring into like smaller spaces. Comes in 3 different sizes. These are amazing quality. So good. I love these. So this is the 2 cup, 1 cup, and then half cup. And just, I love them. I've had these forever. Just really great quality. So another item I cannot live without. All of these items I use daily. So that's why I'm sharing them with you, because they are my absolute favorites. Okay, 2 more items that I use on the daily. Silicone little muffin cups, cupcake cups. These are the best. I recommend these to anyone who does any kind of muffins. I had my sister-in-law get these and she just was blown away how awesome they are. So you don't have to spray cooking spray in these. They clean really easily. There's barely anything on here after you are done cooking with them. But another thing I've had for years and years, these, and they are just in great shape. So good. Another great stocking stuffer idea, or all of these are great gift ideas if you're looking for gifts for anyone. Love this set. Comes in a jumbo cupcake size as well. I think I need to get those because who doesn't want a big jumbo muffin? So, but these are really great, amazing quality, super cheap as well, under $10, and just really wonderful. I am not big on the little paper wrappers around cupcakes and muffins. So these are hands down, they're the best. Last thing from my top 10 is this baking mat. I use it for everything. You've seen it. You've seen all of these items, but this is just so great. I love easy cleanup. So this mat is just, it helps so much with cleanup. It is just a really great nonstick. I use it for baking. I use it for sheet pan meals a lot. We do a lot of salmon on the sheet pan, so I'm just put all my salmon on there. We do sheet pan chicken fajitas. I just always use this baking mat anytime I use my cookie sheet. So it is just, it's the best. It is really great quality. Another item I've had for a super long time and just absolutely love it. So I hope that you enjoyed these my 10 must-have kitchen items from Amazon. I use all of these every single day, so I can attest to how wonderful each and every one of them are. They are just great quality and just very useful and functional. So like I said, I will link everything in the description box. It'll take you to Amazon. Go check it out. All of these are great gift ideas as well if you're looking for gifts for anyone. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. I'd love to have you be one of my subscribers if you're new. Always leave me a question if you have any questions at all in the comment box. And I hope you're having a really wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.